preview.
Hello friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Club.
Stop!
I told.
Say, complete it.
Hello friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids
Kids
Fun
Fun
Club. And today we are going to draw a pineapple.
A strawberry. Do you love strawberries?
I love strawberries.
So let's start drawing a strawberry.
In the next video, we are going to make a banana.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's get open sketch pen.
We'll make a bunch of strawberries. Should we?
Nah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So simple heart shape. One more. And one more.
How much?
That's all.
What is this?
This is the third strawberry that is behind the two strawberries. Okay? And now we make the leaves of the strawberry. Okay. Okay, Parikshit?
Okay.
Then we make long stems.
Long.
Yeah.
Connecting together.
Yes. Okay.
See, Baba.
Yeah.
Mine is like a Minecraft pickaxe.
Pickaxe.
Yeah.
And we draw some leaves.
I get full excited. So
Okay.
friends,
And we draw some.
Are you loving the drawing?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are not.
What color is the strawberry?
Red, green. Sorry, black, red, blue, yellow,
Orange,
skin,
pink,
and dark.
sky blue.
What? No more colors.
Okay. Ooh. Now let's quickly color it with the red color. Yo, My bunch of strawberries are done. Are you done, Parikshit? Still drawing?
Give me that one.
Which one?
That
Do the green color.
one.
Give me the do the green color quick. And I'm done. Yo, that was quick, isn't it? So Parikshit's tasty and yummy strawberries are ready. Do you want it? Want to eat it, guys?
Eat Papa.
No, I don't. I won't give mine. I won't give mine to anybody.
To Mama.
No,
To
not
Dadu.
to nobody.
To Dadu at least.
No, to Dadu I can.
I'm gonna steal it.
So we are done. Are you done? Ask Parikshit if they are done.
If you like that, do like and subscribe my channel.
And
Do not forget that parents, do share your kids drawing with us on Instagram. Tag us at the rate Club
Yes,
/ Club. Now you can buy some drawing books.
Yes.
Go to www.kidsfunlandclub.com/books.
So see you in the next
Drawing.
fun drawing. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.